tragic death occurred during the renovation of Camp Nou, prompting a statement from Barcelona. A pall of grief descended upon the Camp Nou, the historic home of FC Barcelona, following a tragic traffic accident that claimed the life of a worker involved in the stadium's ongoing renovation project. The past few hours have witnessed the first fatality at the construction site since the comprehensive redevelopment of the stadium began in June 2023, sending shockwaves through the Catalan sports and labor communities. According to the Spanish newspaper Marca, citing the EFE news agency, the 54-year-old worker succumbed to his injuries after being struck by a vehicle while on site. Attempts to save him were unsuccessful. Catalan police received an urgent report of a serious accident at the work site, and rescue units were immediately dispatched to the scene. Unfortunately, medical personnel were unable to save the worker, who died from his injuries. FC Barcelona quickly issued an official statement via its X platform, expressing its deepest regret over the worker's death in this accident, and